Hello everyone, welcome back to our blog once again. So we have seen Python built-in modules, but what if you want to reuse your own code in multiple programs? So that's where user-defined module comes in. So in this video, we'll learn how to create and use our own module in Python. So let's create a file that's a mat.py, right? And so the question is, what is user-defined module? So a user-defined module is simply a Python file containing function, variable, or classes that we create ourselves to reuse in another program, right? So we have created a math.py. Now we'll see def add dot. We created a function a comma b, right? And then what we'll do, we return a plus b, right? Like why are you getting like this? Def return. Let me write this again. So def add. Oh, we cannot create a. So let me say it's math1, right? So we created a math1 file because math is a reserved keyword in Python. So what we'll do, a and b. Now we'll return a plus b, right? So this is a simple program we have written in the math.py. We will write another function def subtract. So what we'll do, a minus b, a comma b, and then return a minus b, right? This is our simple program. We'll create another file, import file dot py, right? Here we are going to use that module we have created, math1. What we'll do, we'll import math dot, we'll say import math1, right? We have imported this file inside this file, the math1 file inside the import file.py, right? Now we are going to use this. So what we'll do, we'll print first one is add. So what will, no, we have to write like this. You cannot, math1 dot add, and then you'll pass the value 23 plus 34, right? And then for the subtraction, you can use math1 dot subtract, then you can say 2 minus 3, right? So let's run the import file and see what it prints, right? So let me clear this, and we'll run this python import.file py, right? So it's a, we forget to add the colon here. So let's run it again and say it said 23 plus 34 is 57, and 2 and 3 is minus 1, right? So we are successfully imported this function into this file, and now we can use in any file in in this any file to use this addition and subtraction up to 2 digit, right? Now there is another way to import this, so that is called from import, that we have learned already this in the previous video. From import, let me write this, from import, no, from math1, from math1 import add, we are going to just use addition here, right? So what we'll do, we'll just type the print and then add, and then we'll pass the argument, that is 2 and 3. So let's run it and see what it print. It's a 5. So we can use a simple function, one function from the math1. If you want to call the subtraction, you have to just copy this and then you have to paste this, right? We have to just add the comma, and then you can subtract it, right? So benefit of user defined module, you can reuse your code across your multiple program. You can organize your code into logical files, right? And it is easier to maintain because suppose you have created a file and it is going to be like this function is basically very simple here. But suppose in a simple function you have to write 1,000 line of code, and you're going to write inside this, that is going to be very hectic to manage, right? So keep your module simple and focused. Now the file and also the name of the file wisely, because that becomes the module name, right? Avoid circular import, like a module importing itself indirectly. So in this video, we'll learn how to create user-defined module, import them, and use them. So I'll give you assignment to make your own module and import it, and write down in comment what kind of module you guys have made. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you into the next one. Thank you.